It wasn't recorded. Okay. Of course, I come down here and now you're flipping the thing. We got to get rid of this one. This rug sucks. It's the luck of me and filming. As soon as I start filming, you can't land the damn thing. Nose dive. Still soaking wet out. Oh, that thing hot. So good. I did the same thing a bunch of times too yesterday. I kept jumping out of the track. It's got so much power. Lord, you gotta take it easy. I'm tired of flipping it over. I can't even light my cigarette. Jeez, that thing flies. Yeah, I know. I gotta put a 2S in there for you. I think it's too much power. What? My jumps that suck? Man, that thing flies. You're having trouble. What? I want you to land one good one. That's all right. That was a good one. It's a sharp looking car, Lauren. These need our ESC wings, EC30 ones. That was a real good jump. Hard. Oh, that was good. That was real good. Out the rink. This thing is so fun. All right, are you done?